Hello, Paul Izell here with REO Auction Academy, and today I'm going to show you a contract, a sample contract on what we use for virtually wholesaling. Now, as you know, we virtually wholesale properties all over the United States. We bought in 44 out of 50 states. So I'm going to show you the basic contract that we use in every state. And it is a fairly basic one. I believe it's a 1, 2, 3, 4-page document. Basic agreement. Again, you can use this in any state. You can modify and adjust to here, put your company name here as a seller. This is if you're selling to somebody else, obviously. If you're buying a bank-owned property, they're going to provide you with their contract. So you're going to put your name or your company name here, the buyer's information here. Then you get into legal description of the property, located in what county. You know, this is an example. This is Luzerne County, Pennsylvania. 123 Main Street, hometown PA, blah, blah, blah. Then you put the tax ID number in here. Personal property included. If there's any kind of anything that you're leaving there in the property, you would just include that in there. Purchase price written out here. The deposit, balance remaining at settlement, closing and escrow. So you'll put the closing date here and then who the title company is that you're using. What we try to do is do as many back-to-back closings as possible. So let's say we're using Stewart Title in Cleveland, Ohio. We will use Stewart Title in Cleveland, Ohio to resell it and just let the buyer know that in order to do a back-to-back closing, we need to use the same title company here. Seller agrees to deliver the property in present and as-is condition. Everything we do is as-is condition. We're not going to make repairs. We're selling directly to other investors out here. And this is just basic generic information on survey and title information, provisions for closing. Closing shall take place on such and such a date. You can adjust that in here, right? Then you get into closing costs, who's paying the transfer taxes, whether you put it, split it or buyer or seller. And you can add all kinds of different stuff here. If you're going to do a survey work or not, I would recommend doing nothing. It's as is, where is, and you're not going to do anything else for the property. You can add other contractual provisions in here if you want. These are some basic things in here. Again, this contract was written by a real estate attorney in Pennsylvania, but most of it applies in pretty much every state here, and I have not had an issue of using it in any of the states. Here, lastly, you get time for acceptance and effective date, and you put that date in there. It's the date that they need to sign the contract by in order to make it binding. And then buyers, their company name, and then seller here, your name, your company name. Pretty simple, pretty basic. I will try to provide this here down below. And if you have any questions on this, definitely reach out to us. You can reach out to us at reauctionacademy.com. And we'd be happy to give you some more details and some more information. And if you're interested in learning more about coaching, definitely reach out to us as well. Make sure you click on a subscribe here and give us a thumbs up if you like this, right? We hope you do like it. We hope you do want more. Let us know if there's any different topics you would like us to go in further depth about. We're trying to hit the main topics here that a lot of our students, a lot of other people have requested from us over the years here. So we're going to continue to make videos on all these, and hopefully they're all helpful to you. If you want to be notified, click on the notification button down there below, the bell, and you'll get notified when we put a new video out here. Thank you again. We appreciate your support.